So here's a wire and my current is flowing this way. Let's take a look at the magnetic field around that wire. So we take our right hand rule, we're going to stick our thumb in the direction of the current's going this way. I've curled my fingers just like the Kung Fu grip. So you can see my fingertips up here. So those are dots on this side. And then on the bottom, my current's going this way, and then on the bottom, so now my fingers are pointing into the page. So down here, I've got X's. Because remember, my loops are coming out here and then going in there, or background into the page, coming back up here and over and in. So you can see that as I'm moving up and towards you, in the camera you can't really tell, but that's what the dots are for. They're pointing this way. So coming up and around like that. So now let's take this wire and let's bend it. I'm going to take the wire and bend it into a loop. So let's see if I can do this here. Here we go. So now, here's my loop. Let's set it up so it stays there. Here's my loop. Well, my current is still moving this way. So my current's moving this way. Here's I. Current's coming back down around like that, and then current's leaving like that. So now, what is my field around here? Well, it's going this way, so those are X's on the outside, and they're dots on the middle, around like that. So X on the outside, dot, dot, X on the outside, dot, dot, X on the outside. And then over here, where this is dot up here, the X, and this is X, no, dot, and then dot over here, and then X. So what has happened is these field lines have pushed closer together, and now I've got a stronger field on the outside, a weaker field on the outside. And this is one loop of wire. So the field strength inside of here is going to depend on, just like the wire, mu naught current divided by R, and then there's 2, but because we're in a loop and we're not going to do the math in here, it's N, where N equals number of loops. So here I have one loop. I could, if I wanted to, right, bend this again. So now I have 2 loops inside of here. And if I drew this out, and I don't have my 2 loops, I need a clip or something to put on there. Really thick wire is not cooperating here. I lost my other loop. With 2 loops, as you can see, I'm wrestling this thing, and let's put this somewhere over here. All right, I got it. The field lines are getting closer together. Oh, close enough. All right. There we go. So I have 2 loops here. 1, 2. Actually, this should go farther around. I should leave that all the way around. That one is 2 loops. Now my field lines. So how do I have my current coming in? I have my current coming in like this, going this way. So that's X's and that's dots. And as it comes in, my current's going this way. So X on that side. Well, these should be dots. But I have 2 of them, so I have double the amount of current, double the amount of field lines that are in there. So here again, N number of loops, mu naught I over 2 R.